One bird told many. We've got another one up there. Two here. There's only a few bits of bread. I'll chuck some more down. Oh, we've got four. Four birds in the garden. And all we got is that tree. I have been putting bread and biscuits on the wall. So, and pigeons congregate in there for the water. So, put some water and some food in the garden and the birds will come. That's the honey tree. Nice bit of movement. They are making noise, the youngsters. So we are in a pretty bare garden. Did have decking, but that rotted. Birds hanging out by the tree. Very cool.